And the next section is subsection C, right? And our topic is untied shoelaces, right? So some people work with untied shoelaces. It is permitted to go outdoors with one shoe's laces untied. The laces are considered intrinsic part of the shoe and may thus be worn with the shoes even if they are not being used. So, I mean, I saw people doing like that. I'm not sure. I think they put shoelaces like inside of the shoe and then put the foot. Right. So, otherwise, like most likely, these shoes are going to fall off. No problem. But again, if it's untied, no problem. So they can walk. No problem. So next one, number 2, is boots and galoshes. So galoshes are also called rubbers. So they mean that you put the whole your shoe inside that. Okay. Okay. So and it says it is permitted to wear rubber boots or galoshes over the one's shoes on Shabbos. Right. Since the rubbers, I'm not sure. Rubbers. I think, what is the difference between rubbers and galoshes? I think the rubbers would put the whole, it's soft shoes, like you can put your shoes completely into rubber, if I understand correct. By galoshes, it's like they more like, I don't know, like how to say, like shallow, right? It's like you only your shoes and then no more than that. That's the difference. So meaning rubbers could be deeper, like go up to your ankle, and galoshes only up to your shoes. That's the way I understand. Okay. So again, it is permitted to wear rubber boots or galoshes over the one's shoes on Shabbos, since the rubbers provide the feet with added warmth and protect them from the moisture which penetrate the shoes. They consider garments. So it's very, very straightforward, simple explanation, right? So shoes would get wet, right? Would get wet, and not only shoes, but inside the feet would get wet. That's why you can put these rubbers, these galoshes, this on top of your shoes. Why? To make it warmer for a foot, and plus to protect from moisture, from water. There is no problem. So according to all of the opinions, there is no problem. Right. Thus, one is permitted to wear them even in a light rain, where his sole intention is to protect the shoes from damage due to the moisture. Okay, so it's very interesting. So even a light rain, usually if any shoes can withstand the light rain, right? But for the warmth, right? He can still wear these galoshes. Okay, shoes damage from the moisture, right? Continue. One is also permitted to wear them in a dry weather, for the purpose of transporting them to a different location. So same as we were talking about winter jackets. As we said, since it is garment, it's always a garment. Meaning even if it's like 40, what is it? Right, 140. No, it's too much. 100 degrees outside. It's very hot. So, but you want to return to your friend his winter coat. You just remember. So you can wear since it is garment, you can wear it in under any conditions. Same as these galoshes, these rubbers, this rubber boots, right? All of these things. So since it is a garment, you can wear that even to transport it, right? Continue. Children boots. And it is a problem, and sometimes, when we have a lot of snow, I would do the same. It's, I mean, not on Shabbos. On Shabbos, we remember not to do it. Mothers often put a plastic bag over the children's feet, right? The best way. Feet or shoes, to enable them to don the boots more easily. Okay, so I mean it's not only that, but even to protect the feet, since from getting wet. Since the plastic bags are not considered garments, and thus it is forbidden for children to wear them going outdoors on Shabbos, except in an enclosed yard. So, like, there is the shoes that are not the water resistant. Yes, yeah, like if you step on the water. But if your child is going to go in all of the puddles, all of the snows, like up to his neck, right? Of course, the snow is going to go in, and the feet are going to go wet, right? So, but if you tie the bags, and that's what we used to do, you like. You tie the bags, so you protect your feet. So, but the bags, plastic bags, for sure, those not a garment. So you're not allowed to do it on Shabbos, unless, as he said, if you have enclosed yard, meaning there is air. Continue. Shoe inserts. It is permitted to wear a shoe containing insert, such as insteps, inner soles, or tongue pads. This applies whether the purpose of insert is improve the shoe's fit, or to make more comfortable, or to absorb perspiration. Right. So you have shoe sole, right? That's like it's part of the shoe, but then they sell this different shoe inserts. Meaning to hold the arch, right? To like in front, like whatever they call it, tan pads, right? Or on the heel pads, or whatever is this person needed. It's usually for comfort, the way I understand. But he said even for a better fit, maybe if shoes is too big, and so with this thing, it's not going to be too big. Okay. Or even absorb perspiration. Still, it's like for convenience of the person. So, and the last one, slippers. It is permitted to wear slippers outdoors, even if they have no bags, provided they do not commonly fall off the wear foot while walking. Right. So, meaning if the problem is that if it's going to fall, and some people would continue walking, it would be a problem, right? Because like in some sense he moved this slipper from his house into the public domain, and now he like wears again in a public domain, so picks up in some sense in the public domain. It's continue walking. Of course, like nobody's carrying with his feet. That's right, but still, we're trying to minimize all of these things. So technically, if you need to move something, even something since the muktzah, right? But you need to move it. You would be allowed. I mean, we're going to learn about it with your feet, because it's not normal way of carrying things. Okay. So let's see. I think we stop here.